Hello! Today we're going to show you the while loop, one of the most basic loops and very simple. So it basically works like this. While condition do this stuff. So it goes through everything within these parentheses and performs statements. Let's just pretend you have a bunch of programming statements here. It could be any number of them. It does this, and then comes back here. So while this is true. Now, one important thing is it never does the first statement if this condition isn't true the first time through. So let's do some examples here. So let's do an integer, my variable equals 4. Say 4. While my variable is equal to 4, and let's print something to the screen. Hello. And let's go ahead, once we've completed this, we want it to stop so we could still see it on the screen. So we're going to do console.readline, which will kind of pause things. So let's think about how this will work. Set a variable to 4. Is that variable equal to 4? Yes, it is. Therefore, we enter this loop. Say hello. Now it's going to loop back from here to here if this is still true. Is it still true? Print hello. So this should run forever, right? Let's see. Oh, it's still going. I got to stop that. Alright. So let's make it not true after the first run. Let's say my var now equals 5. It'll check here, is it 4? Yes. Prints hello. Turn it into 5. Then we loop back to here. Is it still 4? No. Then we're done. So we'll go from here all the way to here and perform the read line. Let's try it. Hello? And now it's at the read line. I'll press return. So let's make it a bit more interesting. Alright, let's say my var is 0 and let's say while my var is less than 4, and let's say my var equal to my var plus 1. Now you could just say my var plus plus, it's the same thing. Let's try that. So it'll come through here, it'll be, is 0 less than 4? Yes. Print hello. Okay. My var becomes 0 plus 1, which is 1. Is 1 less than 4? Yes. Print hello. Then 1 becomes 2. Is 2 less than 4? Yes. Print hello. You get the picture. Let's play it. 1, 2, 3, 4 hellos. Sounds about right. You can also do while another type of condition is true. It's just easier to show with numbers, but you could just say while a string comparison matches what you're looking for, you could just type in true. That will run forever unless in here somewhere you say break to break out of the loop. So I'll show you both of those. This is our forever loop. Cancel that. And this is our one time through and breakout loop. There you go. You could also have an if statement in here. If something becomes true, then break out. But that's kind of circumventing the while loop, so I don't recommend that. There are other ways to handle that. But there's not a whole lot to it. That's the while loop. Thank you very much. Have a good day.